Every little thing's gonna be alright. About a thing. 'Cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, the rising sun, 3 little birds. Folks, listening to some Bob Marley because it's a download on the iPad because there's no internet right now. But no worries. So you want to move to the Philippines, eh? Welcome to the Philippines, my friends. Welcome to a brownout. Everybody wants to know why I don't live on some faraway, beautiful island. Why don't I live out way out in the province, in the village? Well, folks, said it a million times. A lot of things boil down to infrastructure. Many of y'all think you can live out in the sticks, you know, out in the middle of the province, on this tiny little island, what have you, till you figure out, hey, the electrical grid got a brownout every day. What's a brownout? It's the term they use here for intermittent electrical outages. Certain places here, brownouts are a daily way of life. You know, the farther you get from major areas, the more often the brownouts are going to be, more frequent. So a place like Angeles City, why do people live in Angeles City or Manila or Subic? You know, the major cities. A lot of things boil down to infrastructure, right? Stable electrical grid, you know, fiber optic internet, all these good things that you go way out, you know, sort of off the grid. Well, guess what? You're off the fucking grid. Now look, I guess Starlink is available here in the Philippines now. I don't know anything about it. I just heard that it's available. If Starlink, and I need to research it, because if I can get Starlink to work, I would displace and sort of get away, I don't want to say off the grid, but it would open up a lot of options for places to live. But when you're trying to run a YouTube channel, folks, you can't get off the grid. How are you going to be off the grid and run a YouTube channel? Well, if you got Starlink and a generator, it can be done. So that's something I guess I need to explore. See if Elon Musk can hook a dog up where I can move way out away from civilization, grow tomatoes and potatoes and raise chickens, pigs and carabao. Anyhow, I'm just trying to illustrate daily life for you here, right? Brownout, you know, what time is it? It's 8:52, so all right, about 10 minutes ago. So about 8:50 in the morning, brownout. What does that mean? It's just a daily small boom. Speak of the devil. Speak of the devil. I should have said, let there be light. So 10-minute brownout, but I figured I'd just fire up the camera because I didn't have anything else to do. I got a video burning here for you, nice tour of Koreatown. And now everything is back to normal. Patience, patience. Believe it or not, you can survive without 10 minutes of electricity. So, welcome to today's video. I have no idea where the day is going to take me, going to take us. But like for the past 3 days, we've all been under the weather, so to speak. Before G got sick, running a little temperature. Next thing you know, it hit me like that, folks. I mean, it was like a 48-hour virus. I don't know. Headache, body aches. I think it was a 48-hour corona. If I suspect, you know, the variant, whatever, make up a name to try to scare somebody into giving Pfizer some more money. Anyhow, hell, we were sick for 3 days. That was like a sudden onset. Now Maria's a little bit sick. So me and the baby's been on a commission. Fatima, impervious to these illnesses, right? But she's grown up here in the Philippines. She lived in the Philippines all her life. But me as a foreigner, I live in a different part of the globe, obviously. So all these illnesses here in the Philippines, I've been through all of them. 8 years in Thailand, never got sick once. Since I've been in the Philippines, I know more about tropical medicine than I really want to know or ever wanted to know. My goodness. But we're back. Like last night, like my headache broke. I'm like, damn, I'm starting to feel better. I'm starting to get my strength back. I told the old lady, I said, I think by in the morning, be back up to 110%, and I am. That little 48-hour Horana put a whooping on me. Damn, Philippines always trying to drag me down. Might get knocked down, but I'm always gonna get back up. That's what you gotta do in life. Anyhow, listen to some Bob Marley. I guess I should get back to working on this here video. But hey, thanks for joining us on today's video. I think today, maybe yesterday, we hit 44,500 subscribers. Then I woke up and like it was back down to 498. What do they call that? Ebb and flow, ebb and churn, whatever. You know, you got subscribers. It'll fluctuate a little bit. You'll lose 2, gain 5. Thank y'all for hitting that subscribe button. My goodness, I'm on the way to 8.7 million subscribers by tomorrow. Life is good. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Yeah, Bob Marley gonna take all the money off this video. I don't care. Sometimes you just gotta share the vibe of what's going on with the knowledge that YouTube's gonna take all your money for that copyright for Bob Marley's folks, and there ain't nothing you can do about it. I could easily play another song that's not copyrighted, but that's not what's happening. I just want to give you a sampling of what I got going on. So, Bob Marley, may you rest in peace, my friend, and all the people that's getting his money now. I give this money to you, willingly, knowingly that you're getting all the money from this video. If this video makes $100,000, his folks will get every damn dime of it. Just a lesson. You run a YouTube channel and one person claims a copyright claim, you ain't making no money. No money. That video I did in Patia with that band, that Filipino band at Hooters, what's it got, 600 something thousand views? I'm gonna do a video on how much money that video has made for me since it was launched. At 600 and something thousand views, hundreds of comments. I mean, so many hours of watch time because people just use it as their soundtrack for the night. You'll be surprised how much money that money made this guy because of all the copyright claims. Anyhow, beautiful day here in the Philippines. Oh yeah. I'm gonna tell you right now, does that not look beautiful? It looks absolutely beautiful, don't it? In the large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker with love. Look at that. So folks, I'm back to cooking every night, right? It's no secret. Our Shine is going home. She's back in the village. And so I've taken back over the kitchen. My cooking skills are obviously superb. So why wouldn't I? Fatima sits in there and watches the kids. Now I do use her as a prep chef. Like, you know, certain things, I don't mind chopping carrots. If the garlic's already peeled, I don't mind chopping the garlic. I don't want to chop up the chicken. That's her job. The ginger, too much stress for the chef. I'll let her handle that. So she helps me out, and then we got to run the children out here, out of the kitchen while I'm cooking. So what I made tonight, instead of filming the whole process, I'll just talk you through it in 10 seconds. I basically sauteed garlic, carrots, then threw the chicken in there, sauteed that. Then souped it up a little bit with some spices and threw the pancit noodles in there. So it's another version of a foreign guy's pancit, right? It tastes like pancit, only better. Filipinos, all my Filipinos, they always, they're looking over you, they're yakking you. They're not culinary adventurers. What do they want? Soy sauce, magic syrup, a little salt. That's all they want. You deviate from that, they're gonna yak you. I've said this many times. But many times when I've made a dish, I give her a taste, she's like, oh, it's got no taste to it. Okay, all right, run out of here, let me fix it. If they're sitting there watching me, and I try to put brown sugar in a dish, oh, they're gonna come unglued. Oh, that's sweet, I don't want it sweet. Blah, 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 they run their mouth, right? Oh, okay, ladies, okay. So I put the brown sugar back over on the shelf over there. They take it, oh, there's no taste to it. All right, just give me 5 minutes, I'm gonna fix it. As soon as they cut that corner over there, the coast is clear. You know what my secret weapon is to make these ladies love any dish that I make? Now, they can't be looking, or they'll get pissed off. They're biased. They're what's the word? They judge me when they don't know me. As soon as the coast is clear, when I gotta fix it, right? What's my secret weapon? Boom! Brown sugar. Brown sugar. You look so good. A lot of times she'd be looking, right? But trying to make sure I don't put no sugar in there. But I'll tell you, it's just they're so programmed to have the same exact match flavor. And I'm not saying everybody that's stereotyping the whole society, but I'm talking about all the Filipinos I've been with. Most of them been from a small village. Soy sauce, magic syrup, maybe a little salt. That's it. So anyhow, my secret weapon, hopefully wife number 2 doesn't watch this video. Although she suspects that's what I do. She doesn't know. She's always trying to look, make sure I'm not doing it. But my secret weapon is brown sugar. And they love it. Just don't tell them that you're putting brown sugar, my friends. Trade secrets for all the gentlemen out there. Hopefully I got the right angle on the dangle. Look at that presentation right there. And of course the old lady's cooking a big old pot of rice. It don't matter, folks. It don't matter if you prepare a Thanksgiving meal. Filipinos will have a pot of rice. Let me show you something. You see that light right there? There's a Filipino, or he's Phil-Am comedian, I can't remember his name, but he tells jokes about, growing up with a Filipino mother, that you can always find your way to the kitchen in the middle of the night from that orange red glow right there from the rice cooker. So the whole house can be dark, but you can always find your way to the kitchen of the glow of that light right there. His story, not mine. I'm just regurgitating what he said. But that's true. That light right there, that little warm light, or is it on cook right now? No, it's on warm. That little warm light stays on constantly on the rice cooker. All right, so what I'm gonna do is cap it. That's ready to go, but I'm gonna cap it just so when Filipino wife number 2 lifts up that lid, she is gonna be surprised in a good way. It's like unwrapping a Christmas present. What we got going on?
The green, the red, or the calamansi.
I did a calamansi. Yes, sweetie girl.
Wait,
One of them candies? goodness. Maria wants one of these candy eggs here. Dig deep, baby. Just dig deep in there. Keep digging. I know you got some coins. Oh yeah, get some little calamansi juice here. Little store we always go to. Got to show mine. Chips. Looks like lumpia. There's your prices. French fries. Buko shake. Oh yeah, a little calamansi juice. Dig deep, baby. You got it. Keep digging.
Maria, that's bubblegum, Maria.
Yeah, that's bubble gum, sweetie. That's not candy.
Choose another one. Go, this one, you like this?
Keep digging, baby. Dig, girl. Dig, dig, dig. Keep digging in there. Bring out them coins, baby. Dig deep. Getting some gummy worms. I think. Here, sweetie. Get a drink of juice. Good juice.
Sige lang po. Mas maganda po. Ilan po ba?
Dig, baby, dig.
Three,
You got that big old bag there. I know you got some coins in there.
Bilangin mo nga ito. Magkano yan? Ganun din. Oo, ganun din. Lahat yan.
Good job, Fatima.
Dami kong coins din nga ba?
I know you got them coins somewhere.
Maria, you like that, Maria?
Yeah, she like those. Got that iPad.
Okay.
Notice Fatima and Maria got lipstick today. Unauthorized. This delicious, sweetie?
May piso pa ako.
Fatima, you're knocking things over.